Hello guys, this is Ritesh, as you know, second officer. Now I am serving on a bulk carrier. So in this video, I'll tell you about how to order charts and publication to the next voyage. So let's have a look how we are gonna order everything. So one more thing, in this video I'll explain NAVTER specifically about how to order charts, how to upload the new routes and publications and everything. So let's go. We will have a look about how to order. Okay. My ship is equipped with nav box and NAVTER system. So if the next voyage, when we get a next voyage, so we need to make a route plan on our ECDIS. So once we'll make a route plan, we need to order the charts. Ordering charts, we need to go to first the nav tracker. Sign in. Okay, now the page is open. Okay, we need to log in. So guys, my voyage will be from UAE to India. The port of UAE will be Meena Sagar to Gopalpur, India. So this is the passage plan. You can see the cursor. This is the passage plan which I have made in ECDIS. So after making the plan, we will export from ECDIS and we will be importing the same passage plan here. So the passage plan has been imported. So first, and what we'll do is we'll go for ordering. So the ordering page is open. Now we will go to the passage plan what we have made. So this is the passage plan. This is the port of Meena Sagar and this is Gopalpur. So the thing is, in NAVTER in India we don't have all the charts, so we need to order manually the charts, but in rest of the places in the world we can take this. This is having a setup of operating area, you see. So these are the charts what I am having. So these things are not being taken by money or something. This is just as a pay by go system. It is called pay as you go. So once we reach this chart, then it will be taken to the money account. So you see the difference between the red color and the green color, blue color. Blue color is ENC activated for pay system and red is ENC activated for pay as you sail. So in India we have pay as you sail. Once we will be going to that desired place, we need to order the charts manually. So now let's go for ordering. We'll go to routes, we'll go for ordering, load the route. Okay, now it's very simple to order. You just go order a renew license. You have, you see, ENC, ADP, ADLL, ADRS 1 2 3 4 5, ADRS 2, ADRS 6, Admiralty tide tables, ENPs. So I've selected all the things what we require for a passage plan and I'll make it okay. It will take a while to load. You see, these things are loaded and you can have a look here. Just focus on that one. You see ENP, ADP and AENP. You see AENP I have all which I require. ADP I have 4, so nothing, I don't require any ADP, because you see if I require it will come 1 by 5 or 2 by 5, so it is 0 by 5, that means I don't require any ADP. So I require ENCs. You see I require 2 ENCs which is unlicensed, 12 months and 12 months. So the thing is, if I want to tell the master what will be the cost of the ENCs, you just do one thing, you just click on calculate. You see the money, how much it is taking for 2 ENCs, $126.4. so it's as simple. So what I'll do, I'll save this file to my desktop anywhere, keeping it as a draft, so that in future if I require anything I can show them that I have ordered this charts or anything. I'll just save it on my desktop. Later I will save it on my other internal folder. So now my ordering file is saved, so I'll do simple, I'll go send order, and you see confirm. Okay, you see the 2 charts, Gopalpur port and title not specified, but these 2 charts are required. So what I'll do, you see if I do to hereby confirm, I'll just go to confirm and I'll confirm. So now ordering is going on. So wait for a while depending on the internet speed. You see order has been registered successfully, but it has to be approved. The following people will receive a notification and will be able to approve the order. NAFTA, customer care, this all will be coming, but we will get a mail which is the specific mail for the NAFTA. I think the master's main email will be receiving the notifications, so I'll be doing it okay. And if I want to show that I have ordered something, you can go for orders, and you see the order 17 July 10:58 UTC, the order status pending. Once it is approved from the office, then I will get approved and I will get a mail stating that these charts have been approved, and we can load the charts in the ECDIS. So next thing what it will be, we'll be getting the charts through the nav box, and we'll go to nav box and connect the nav stick, and here it is showing insert your nav stick, but if I'll insert, it will come update, and I'll update, and then again I will go to the ECDIS and I'll update the ECDIS. All the charts will be updated there. Okay, this is the way you should order. So we'll be making another video shortly about another thing. So I hope I have made myself clear about this. I'm trying my best to explain it, how much I learned and how much I make you help in using this kind of a software, especially in NAFTA. And next video I'll show you how we will update the chart on ECDIS. Till then, bye, have a good time. Okay.